What's up, guys? Today we are in the shop and we're working on the Datsun. We're working on the back half. We're doing some sheet metal work, and then today I'm going to be doing a strut tower bar and tying it to our subframe tubes. So I already went ahead and welded in some reinforcement plates, just like the roll cage has, and then I got a bar cut to run across. I'm going to weld that in and give it some more strength for our S13 subframe, which is laying over there on the ground. We test fitted it last night. It still fits good with all the floor cutting, so we're going to go ahead and do a 5-lug swap on that using S13 rear hubs and brakes. And so we got a lot of stuff going on today. It's shop day. Working on Bronco too. And so yeah, we're going to get into welding in these rear strut bars and working on a subframe. So you guys can see we got the strut bar welded in, and then our down supports going down to our subframe mounts. And then Levi went ahead and made up these sheet metal floor pieces. And then we have our one in here that's sunken down. We're going to end up putting the battery in, so we wanted that lower and out of the way. So we're coming along. We're also working on the subframe. We got this side off, brakes off, Warren got these off, and got the hub off, 4-lug hub, and we had to torch it and use the puller on that one. So we're going to have to do the same thing on our S14 one to get the 5-lug wheel bearings. So yep, we're going to keep working and try to keep you guys updated. So we got our wheel hubs off on our S13 subframe, and then we brought in our S15, our S14 outside, and it's got the 5-lug hubs on it. So we didn't want to go with this because we would have to buy a diff for it. So yeah, just an update. We're gonna keep working on it. Start pulling these hubs off. Floor we got welded in here. We got our frame for the fuel cell welded in, and then our battery tray also welded in. Still got this sheet metal to weld in, but we're coming along. Alright guys, you can see we're at the rocker. It's all the way cut out. I want to give a huge shout out to my brother Levi for coming up. He cut this out. He also helped out with a lot of the sheet metal in the back, helping me make some panels. So shout out to Levi for helping out today. And he got this cut out. There was some rust, some patch panels on the rockers. So we decided to cut it out. And then we also wanted a gap on our door here for our side skirts. So, you know, with the body kits, it can cause paint chipping on your door. So we went ahead and cut this to lower it. And then we're also going to be replacing the rocker panel with new sheet metal. So, yeah, we're working on that. And, yep. Alright guys, we're back. We got this piece of sheet metal fabricated in with the help of my brother Levi and my dad. And then we got our floors welded in and our fuel cell welded, and then the battery tray. And then we also have our rockers. We went ahead and cut out because it was a lot of rust and patchwork. So I got my cardboard template right now, starting on it. We're going to redo the rockers, so those are solid. And then we finished up our 5-lug swap on the rear subframe. And then so we don't have to run our adapters anymore. We'll just run our regular rim. You can see. Rim on there. I'm not sure what our offset's going to be because I think these are positive 20. So they should stick back a little bit, but this is going to be wider than the factory, so we'll see. We might throw it up in there, let you guys see it with the rim on there on the car. Depends if we can get this up in there on the rotisserie. But yeah, I think that's going to be it for more sheet metal on the Datsun. Got our 5-lug swap on our S13 subframe. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please subscribe for more on the build. Please check out some other videos. We don't just have Datsun stuff, we have some Honda stuff, some old truck stuff. And so yeah, please hit that like button. Please comment what you think and subscribe.